1.
Cuisinart Coffee Bar Coffee Grinder, stainless steel bowl and blades on/off switch with safety interlock. Cord length, 36 inches, transparent cover with measurement markings too. 5 ounces/70 grams capacity, enough for 12 cups, easy to clean bowl and lid, convenient cord storage. KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder, clear top cover and one-touch control allows for operation at the touch of a button. Simply push down on the cover to begin grinding and release to stop. The clear cover also allows you to easily see the consistency of grinds. Stainless steel blade offers durability and powerful performance, quickly grinding enough whole coffee beans to make up to 12 cups of coffee. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder for Beans. Whether it's early morning or late at night, you can make fresh grounds without making too much noise. The grinding chamber removes for easy filling of whole beans or spices. Once finished, remove the chamber for easy cleaning. You can grind up to 9 tablespoons of beans, enough for 12 cups of coffee. Wipe the base with a damp cloth. A hideaway cord storage at the bottom of the grinder stores the cord neatly and out of sight when it is not in use. Durable stainless steel blades grind coffee beans and spices with ease.
4.
SHARDOR Coffee Grinder Electric, just by simply pressing the lid for different seconds to get coarse or fine coffee powder. High power with 20,000 to 24,000 R per minute allows you to get your desired coffee powder within 8 to 15 seconds. The stainless steel cups can be removed from the base. The removable cups are dishwasher safe and easy to clean as well. Kaffe Electric Coffee Grinder, Compact Countertop Electric Coffee Grinder, 3 ounces capacity, quickly turns whole bean into fresh grounded coffee right from your home or kitchen, grinds whole coffee beans to fine grounds in seconds for quality home brewing using a French press, coffee percolator or other drip coffee makers, easy to use on/off button positioned on safety lid, grinder won't operate without cover. Transparent lid lets you monitor grinding.
6.
KRUPS Silent Vortex Electric Grinder for Spice, grinds coffee beans for 12 cups in 15 seconds for drip coffee with minimum grinding noise. Patent-pending Vortex spin technology pulls ingredients into the blades for fast and efficient grinding. 3-in-1 grinder for coffee, spices, and dry herbs. Effortlessly grinds whole coffee beans, hard spices like whole peppercorns, and dry herbs for flavorful meals.
7.
SHARDOR Adjustable Coffee Grinder Electric. There are seconds marks above the timing knob, from coarse to fine. You can choose the precision of powder according to your needs. The cup is removable and it can grind 2.5 ounces coffee beans, up to 10 cups of coffee. This electric coffee grinder can also be used for grinding other dry ingredients, such as pepper, cumin, fenugreek, parsley, cinnamon, star anise, peppermint, soya, quinoa, sorghum, rice and crystal sugar.